Meet ThreadRobe, a specially designed piece of furniture that automatically stores your clothes. Think of it as your personal assistant that puts away a load of clean laundry after your washer and dryer are finished. With ThreadRobe, you have no more folding, no more hanging, and best of all, your clothes are always put away and organized. When washers and dryers were invented in the 1950s, they were technology breakthroughs. But we have been stuck with folding and hanging our clothes ever since. ThreadRobe makes laundry simple. When your dryer is finished, remove the entire pile of clothing and place it directly into the wardrobe. Shut the door, and your job is done. The wardrobe uses simple automation to separate and hang each item inside a storage area. Specially designed hangers safely grip the clothing, place them in cradles inside the unit, and store the items until you recall them. When you need something to wear, select items in the mobile app. Then choose to dispense them now or schedule them to be dispensed at a future date and time. The app notifies the wardrobe to retrieve the selected items, place them in the same bin used for loading, and steam them to your specifications. Your clothes are returned fresh, wrinkle-free, and ready to wear. The thought of never having to fold laundry again is amazing, but the ThreadRobe app is equally as innovative. It provides complete control of your clothing and your wardrobe all at your fingertips. If we can access our digital music from anywhere in the world, we should be able to better manage the thousands of dollars of clothing that we own, even when we're not at home. Imagine scheduling your outfits for the week, all from the backseat of an Uber. ThreadRobe is smart. It knows what's clean and what's dirty. Helps you pack for trips, ensuring you don't forget anything. It even shows you data about how you wear your clothing and the composition of your closet. When you take the app shopping with you, it will match items you're thinking of purchasing with clothing you already own.
Introducing SmartCube, a revolutionary Bluetooth-enabled locking system. SmartCube is the easiest and most affordable way to make everything you care about safe and secure. No more lost keys. Control all your locks with your smartphone. With built-in proximity detection, SmartCube can detect when you're in range and lock automatically, then relock when you leave. Or you can set an encrypted passcode. You can also share and customize access to others. Share access to as many SmartCubes with anyone you want, or restrict as needed. Monitor all your SmartCubes through the SmartArmor app and track the usage of each electronic key you issue. This means you know exactly who opens your locks, and when it happens and where it happens. SmartCube is made from durable materials and will immediately alert you if your stuff is tampered with, so you know everything is safe. It's small and simple to install. Mount it to any flat surface and turn your cabinets, drawers, and containers all into smart safes. Or come up with new ways to use it. Convenient, affordable, safe, and secure. Use SmartCube in your home, your office, or even when you're traveling. This is a revolutionary smart locking system that everyone can use and anyone can afford. SmartCube. Protect what matters. Thank you for your support.
This is the world's first lamp where you can move the light in any direction to place it where you really need it. It is much more than just a pendant lamp. With 300 powerful LEDs, it can illuminate any part of your room in any brightness you want, and its colored uplight can create the perfect mood for any situation.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Brian.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. 30 minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
Introducing Garageit, a Wi-Fi connected smart garage door controller. It works with your existing garage door opener, bringing daily convenience and peace of mind by allowing you to open and close your garage door anytime from anywhere. Convenient proactive alerts notify you anytime you forget to close your garage door. And everyone in your family can use their smartphone for easy access. Garageit installs in minutes and requires no maintenance. Just connect a couple of wires to your existing garage door opener, apply the unit using the included adhesive pads, plug it in, and attach the reflector to your garage door. To learn more about Garageit, visit our friendly community page.